Now you can't see this, the wind that is on the other side of the house, because that's amazing how much wind is blowing across that field. But I feel sorry for the whippoorwills because I saw them sitting down in the field. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Running around, running around. Oh, scaring that robin off. Get away from my nest. Oh, there's the two of them. Mom and Dad whippoorwill. Yes, anyway, it's really windy today. Can never tell. What I see with my eyes, I don't know if I can see this. And then it gets into the camera and you can see it. It's really windy. It's not like that, you know, angry willow in Harry Potter, but pretty nasty out there. But I'm home, I'm home. Stay down, whippoorwills. I don't mind whippoorwills. I think they're cool.